We've got several errors here, and JavaScript's supposed to be valid TypeScript, so what's giving here? Well, the answer is inside this TypeScript configuration, there is a strict type check called true, which is a very strict way of looking at the TypeScript code. So to begin with, we'll eventually get there, but we're going to go ahead and turn this to false so that we can work with more JavaScript native. And you'll see that we're down to one error. And simply by changing this to a TypeScript file, it's immediately recognized that it's expecting this contacts list, but I sent it just to contacts like this, me and my wife. So there's a couple ways that we could fix this. One way is we could put the onus on whoever's calling this method to go ahead and place this in an array. That certainly gets rid of the error. Another way is we can extend the API itself and allow it to take in a list using the spread operator. So just by doing that spread operator, this error goes away. So let's save that. We're going to compile it. And this will produce an index.js file for us. Let me go ahead and run that file first. And now you can see it's picked up my contact, although it's not getting the phone number correctly. It's picked up my wife's contact, not getting the phone number correctly, still not finding her entry. And printing is showing contact 2 when it should say contact 1 and 2. So we have some issues, but we've already fixed one of the errors. And if you're curious, the JavaScript that was generated looks like this. Very similar to the original JavaScript code that we wrote, with the exception that there's some code added here to take that list passed into the arguments and turn it into a list based on how many were passed in. So that was automatically created for us.